Hi, this is our mic test. We're doing this outdoors because that's the scenario that our actors will be in while filming them walking down the street. We're using a boom pole, a shotgun mic, and we've got a cat head on it. No, not cat head, dead cat. I was like cat head. And yeah, so we're using the cat head to try and eliminate like sounds of wind and kind of ambient sound. But using it, we've kind of thought maybe it will be better for ambient sound anyway because it picks a lot of it up, and the dialogue sounds a bit distant. So I'll probably use that for ambient sound, and then we'll use a H4n for actual dialogue, so it's clearer and louder, so you can hear it. Okay, I'll just show you our setup. Fellas, can you see yourselves? Tell me screenshot. Hi Dom.
Hi.
Hi Sam. Hi Laura. Cool. Basically, our problem is that we can hear it through the mic, but obviously this wire, we probably need to hold it like this because it keeps hitting against this and it makes like a sound. So yeah, that's one thing we'll need to do. And also when we use that, the instructions say press mic, but we just leave it on the two buttons. What are they called? We just have to leave it on these two. We were like fiddling around with it earlier and it wasn't working. So yeah, then we just changed it and it started working. So yeah, we're good.